Hello, how to solve t times t times t plus t, this equals 10. We are solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation. T times t, t power 2 times t, this is t to the power of 3 plus t, and this equals 10. So we can express this 10 here as summation of 8 and 2. We have t power 3 plus t, and this equals 10 is simply 8 plus 2. So from here, I can have t power 3 plus t. Then I move this over here. It becomes minus 8 plus 2, and this equals 0. So from here, I will have t power 3 plus t. You use this minus to multiply everything inside this bracket. You have minus 8, minus 2, and this equals 0. From here, you have t power 3 plus t minus this 8. Now we have power 3 here. I can express this 8 as in terms of multiples of 2. That is 2 to the power of 3 minus 2, and this equals 0. Now, there's power 3 here, there's power 3 here. I can bring these two together. I have t power 3 minus 2 power 3. Then I have plus t minus 2, and this equals 0. So we need to expand this. And for us to expand this, we consider this identity. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And in this case, a is t and b is 2. Then we are simply going to have, this would be t minus 2 times t squared plus t times 2 plus 2 power 2. Then we have plus t minus 2 equals 0. So right here, we are simply going to have t minus 2 times this is t squared plus this is 2t plus 4 plus t minus 2, and this equals 0. T minus 2, we factor that out. Then we divide this by t minus 2, we have t squared plus 2t plus 4. Then we divide this by t minus 2, we have plus 1, and this equals 0. So from here, we have t minus 2 times this is t squared plus 2t plus 5, and this equals 0. So we equate each of these to 0. So we are simply going to have, the first one will be t minus 2 equals 0. We also have t squared plus 2t plus 5 equals 0. If t minus 2 equals 0, we have t equals 2. It's our t1. Now let's solve this for the other values of t. So we are going to solve this using the formula method. So we are going to write the formula in respect to t. We have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. 1 is the coefficient of t squared, that is my a. This is my b, and this is my c. So I'm going to insert everything right here. We'll simply have t equals negative b, that's negative 2, plus or minus square root of this is 2 power 2, minus 4 times 1 times 5, divided by 2 times a, that's 2 times 1. From here, I have t equals this is negative 2 plus or minus square root of this is 4 minus this is 20, divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals this is negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20, this is negative 16, divided by 2. So from here, we have t equals this is negative 2 plus or minus, there is minus here. square root of negative 1 times square root of 16 divided by 2. So from here, t equals this negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I. Have I times square root of 16. 16 is 4 times 4, so square root of 16 is 4 divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals this is negative 2 divided by 2 plus or minus I times 4 divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals this divided this, we have negative 1 plus or minus this divided this, we have 2. So we have two complex solutions for t. We have t2 because we have gotten t1 already. It is negative 1 plus I times 2. We have t3 equals negative 1 minus I times 2. So these are the two complex solutions, and we also have one real solution, which is t equals 2, which is this one here. And what we are going to do will be to check if it's going to satisfy this particular equation. So we are going to check using t equals 2. Let me check if there's our real solution or negative 2. Okay, our real solution is 2. So we are going to check using t equals 2. Then the question remains, that is t times t times t plus t is equals 10. We substitute 2 for t. That's 2 times, we have 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 is this 10. So right here, we are going to have 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. We have 8 plus 2 is this 10. Obviously, 8 plus 2 is 10, and this equals 10. Left hand side equals right hand side. This is correct. Now, this shows that our answer here is correct, which is t equals 2. Now, what we simply did was to multiply this out. Then we had this cubic equation. Then we're able to split this into two parts, in which one of the parts will have a cubic expression. Like 8 here, it can be represented using 2. It is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 3. So we need to divide this pen into two parts, in which one will be 8, so that we can have this cubic term here. Then the other one is a linear term, in which we have it here as 2. So from here, we're able to express it in terms of the cubic term, in which we had cubic expressions, and we expand it using the cubic identity, in which there is this particular identity here, in which the difference is minus. Then from there, we're able to factor out the t minus 2, which was comma. And from there, we had this first real solution, and the other part we solved using the formula method. So this was what we did in order to solve this particular equation. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.